Alright, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I would like to presenting my final project in coursebook evaluation course, assignment for coursebook evaluation course. Before we start to my presentation, let me to introduce myself first. My name is Aventina Puspita with students ID 23220085, Institute IKIP Siliwangi 2023. I will discuss about an analysis of the English textbook, English in Focus for 7th grade of junior high school. Let's get into the analysis from course book I use. The title is English in Focus for grade 7 junior high school for MTS and SMP. The author is Artono Wardiman, Masuki Bejahur, and Sukirman Jusman. And for the publisher, Pusat Perbukuan Departemen Nasional. So here's the picture of cover of the book, the course book. Let's get into the introduction first, the background of the research. Burning issues. Textbooks are printed learning resources that are systematically designed and structured to present subject material to help students achieve learning objectives set out in the curriculum and act as a media in convey information and knowledge to students. The research problem on my paper, according to Koningswert 1995, it is best for a textbook evaluator to identify his or her own priorities and create his or her own checklist by using some of the criteria mentioned in one book and adding other criteria based on personal priorities. Therefore, a textbook is considered good if it can help students learn easily. The book should have clear and organized content so that is not too difficult to understand. And a good textbook should employ simple language and sometimes include pictures to help explain things better. Let's get into the research question. I use in this paper is what extent does the English textbook English in Focus fulfill the criteria of a good English textbook based on Koningswert's theories? The aim of the research is to evaluate English textbook for junior high school for 7th grade entitled English in Focus by using Koningswert theories. So in this paper, I use the Koningswert theories. Now we get into the literature review. First, definition of textbook. According to Koningswert 1995, state that identifies a textbook as a resource in presenting the material, a source for learners to practice and do the activities. According to Muslich, 2016, textbooks are school books aimed at students at certain levels of education and contain selected material so that it is always related to the field of the researchers or certain subject that is usually complete by served expert in their fields. Here is some expert from criteria of a good course book. I use here is by Lee, according to Lee, that has 5 criteria of a good course book. That there are: number 1, the textbook should not give long grammatical explanation. A list of words to be learned in translation and exercise for translation from the native language into English and vice versa. Number 2, should give examples of the sentences containing structure to be taught. Number 3, it should lead students to the translation type of learning. Number four, the structures and vocabulary of the text should be attached to real situation. Number five, it should have cartoons and natural dialogue as many as possible so that learning becomes more stimulating for the learners. Another expert, according to Mahmoud, that has four criteria of a good course book. Number one, a teacher's manual which should have clear suggestions. Number two, additional practice for oral drilling. Number three, testing procedures. And number four, right answers for the exercise. According to Romero, 1975, these also have the criteria of a good course book. There are number one, a good textbook should be introduced in series. Number two, the lessons should be short and well organized. Number three, exercise should be short, never more than 10 or 15 items of the same type. Number four, the textbook should include short dialogue. And number five, the textbook should have attainable aims. Number six, a good textbook should have teacher's manual. Criteria of a good course book, according to Mariani, 1980, that has several criteria. Number one is the textbook should convey general impression to the teacher. Number two, the layout of the lesson or unit should influence the utilization of the textbook in the classroom. Number three, illustration should be decorative and serve a specific purpose. Number four, the objective should be stated clearly. Number five, the content of the textbook should reflect students' need and interest. Number six, the textbook should start to develop language skill. Number seven, the textbook should cater for interest, motivation, and variety in teaching situation. Number eight, the textbook should motivate students to read and comprehend its overall parts. Another expert criteria of a good course book is, according to Harmer 2007, a good textbook often contain lively and interesting material, and then good textbook provide a sensible progression of language items. After that, a good textbook clearly showing what has to be learned and in some case summarizing what has been studied so that students can revise grammatical and functional points that they have been concentrating on. After that, the textbook can be systematic about the amount of vocabulary presented to the student. The last good textbook allows students to study on their own outside class. The criteria of a good course book, according to Gardner, 1983, the topic of the textbook with multimedia and advanced interactive simulation can help students with different learning style to understand complex issues such as climate change, social equality, and technological progress. The textbook's evaluation I used in my final project is by Koningsword theory that has several evaluation. The first is aim and approaches. The second is design and organization. The third is language content. The number four is skills. Number five is topic. And the last is methodology. Let's get into the research method. Research design I use in this final project is descriptive qualitative research. And the data source is Bahasa Inggris for MTS or SMP kelas 7 tahun 2008, a module used by student in SMP Negeri 9 Cimahi, grade 7 on the first and second semester. The book was written by Arthur Wardiman, Mas Duki Bejahur, M. Sukirman, Jusma, and published by CV Putra Nugraha, which was consisted to 176 page and divided into 8 chapter. The data analysis technique in this research I use is document analysis or content analysis method to describe the evaluation of the textbook by according to Jancic 1994 in Aryat 2002. So the evaluation, book evaluation by Koningsword can um, can has the result, the level of suitability for the course book with the criteria. If the 80% until 100%, it's meaning very good. Um, it's meaning very good. And for 60 percentage until 79 percentage is good. For 50 percentage until 59 percentage is fair. Uh, for under 50 percentage is poor. Let's get into the first field coursebook evaluation by Koningsword theories, that is aims and approaches. Based on the data table beside, the evaluation results of the aims and approaches aspect in this textbook are categorized as very good with a percentage of 100, and it can be seen from several points in the table beside. That is, the aim of this textbook are in accordance with the objectives of the teaching program and the needs of learners. That can be seen from the content of the material in this textbook that is in line with the 28 curriculum standard, so that the textbooks also comprehensively covers all the essential material that should be learned in line with the curriculum or learning objectives. This textbooks is also suitable for teaching and learning situation in schools because the material described is not too teacher-centered, but rather student-centered. The book can also be used in various learning contexts, such as in class, at home, and independently. This is in line with Harmer's 2007 statement that a good textbooks allow students to study on their own outside the class. Let's get into the second field of evaluation, that is design and organization. Based on the data in the table beside, the evaluation result of the design and organization aspect of these textbooks are categorized as very good, with a percentage of 100, and it can be seen from several points in the table beside that the textbook is organized and clear for students and teachers, with clear division of chapters and sub-chapters, informative titles and subtitles, as well as a table of contents and index that helps students find the necessary information. The material in this textbook is organized logically, progressively, and fundamentally. Starting from basic greetings and self-introduction, continue with expression of apology and gratitude, and progress to simple functional text activities such as writing message or short descriptive paragraph. The textbook is equipped with a table of contents that clearly lists all chapters, subchapters, and sections, so that students can find the desired learning topics easily, and the assessment in these textbooks cover all important language skills, especially listening, speaking, reading, and writings. So this is in line with Mariani 1980 statement that the textbook should start to develop language skill. Next is the field evaluation about language content. Let's get see to the table beside. According to the data in the table beside, the evaluation results of the language content aspect of these textbooks are categorized as very good with a percentage of 100%, and this can be seen from several points in the table beside. That is, the textbooks cover the main grammar material suitable for each level. This can be seen from the difficulty level of these textbooks created into three grades, such as grade 7, grade 8, and grade 9 of junior high school students. The teaching materials in the textbooks are also suitable in terms of quantity and range with topics relevant to student daily life, such as family, school, pets, and hobbies. The textbook also includes pronunciation practice material that are varied and suitable for the ability level of grade 7 students. This is in line with the Mahmoud's 29 to 2009 statement that textbook should provide additional exercise for oral drilling. The organization and the conversation in these textbooks are also very much, and this is in line with Romero 1975 statement that the textbook should include short dialogue. The language style used is also very appropriate to the various social situation seen in the conversation from each chapter. This is in line with Lee 1975 statement that the structures and vocabulary of the text should be attached to real situation. Next, we get into the skill aspect from coursebook evaluation by Koningswert Terrace. Based on the data in the table beside, the evaluation result from the aspect of skills in these textbooks are categorized as very good with percentage of 100%. And this can be seen from several points in the table beside, that is textbooks cover for skills such as listening, reading, writing, and speaking, well and structured. The material for spoken English in these books is also well covered, as seen from the end of each chapter, which includes pronunciation exercise. The material of some chapters is also well organized for each learners integrate skill work in real life. The writing exercise in this book are also appropriate in number, level, and style to the needs of the learners. It can be seen from the suitable of simple and easy to understand materials according to the level of 7th grade students. The reading materials are also very appropriate in various so it can motivate students to read and comprehend the overall part. This is in line with Mariani 1980 that the textbook should motivate students to read and comprehend its overall parts. Let's get into the result and discussion, the field, the aspect of topic. Based on the data in the table beside, the evaluation result of the topic aspect of these textbooks are categorized as good, with a percentage of 70 percentages. And this can be seen from several points in the table beside here. These textbooks has enough variety and range in the topic of each chapter. This is also related to the material that is interesting for learners with various interactive activities, such as games, songs, puzzle, and projects. The conversations in these textbooks are also not too long, natural, and also have a lot of illustrative pictures, so that it motivates students to read and stimulates students while learning. This is in line with Lee 1975. It should have cartoons and natural dialogues as many as possible that learning becomes more stimulating for the learners. However, in some points, such as topics that help expand students' awareness, it is less well implemented. Seen from the syllabus used as a reference for the textbooks, this textbooks is lacking in terms of topics that are quite sophisticated and related to social context. This is in line with Gardner 1983 topics of textbooks with multimedia and advanced interactive simulation can help students with different learning styles to understand complex issues such as climate change, social equality, and technological progress. Next, let's move on to the methodology aspect. Based on the data in the table beside, the evaluation result from the aspect of methodology in these textbooks are categorized as very good, with a percentage of 100%. And this can be seen from several points in the table beside, stating that the methodological approach used in these textbooks is considered very good and clear. The researchers found that these textbooks use a communicate approach or communicative language teaching or CLT, which emphasize students' ability to communicate in English by providing opportunities for students to practice speaking and listening in various real situations. These books are also encourage students to play an active role in the learning process and not just be passive recipients of information. This can be seen from all the exercise in the each chapter and the techniques used to present or practice the new language in these textbooks are given by means of dot filling exercise, matching word or sentence, answering questions, role playing and simulation, and writing stories or dialogues. This is in accordance in line with Romero statement 1975 that opinion that exercise should be short, no more than 10 or 15 items of the same type. For the conclusion in my research final project is based on the result and discussion as we can see before, it can be concluded that the textbook English in Focus for Grade 7 Junior High Schools is an excellent English textbook in um, aspects, several respects, several aspects. According to Konigsworth, 1995 Textbooks Evaluation and Checklist. The textbooks fulfills the criteria of a good textbooks. It can be seen from the result in all aspects, such as purpose and approach, like aim and approach, design and organization, language content, skill and methodology, skill and methodology. However, the topic aspect still needs a little development in order to fully cover the material studied with the needs of students, and the topics in these textbooks can be improved to be more sophisticated in the future. In relation to the target class, the researchers state that this textbooks is already suitable enough with the learning objectives, and this textbooks is also in line with the curriculum reference that are used. So I think that's all from my presenting my final project in this video. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for my lecturer, Mrs. Yuniarti. So I will end this presentation today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.